I have never found a plastic container that I could resist. This is the 6-piece baker's set from Prepworks Prokeeper. Say that 3 times fast. And each one of these pieces has a special function. So first, we're going to take our baking powder and our baking soda and put these in the small containers I'm choosing to use them for, but if you wanted to use them for sprinkles or for something else, you certainly could. They have this special lid that goes on the top, so if you wanted to shake things out of them. So we put our flour in here, and then it has this leveling, so you can make sure that you're getting the exact amount. This is the one I'm most excited about. So for the brown sugar one, it comes with this terracotta disc, and I've had it soaking in a glass of water, and then this disc is going to snap into the lid. We're going to put our brown sugar in here, and then damp disc is going to keep it from getting hard. The powdered sugar container has this little piece that snaps in the top, so you can both measure, or you could put your powdered sugar in this part and shake it out, and it's like a sieve on the bottom. And here's the last one. I want to show you that it has these measurement markers on the outside, and it has this pour spout on the top. So, I mean, you could use it for sugar, but we don't use a lot of sugar around here. Honestly, you could use it for anything. You could use it for cereal. You could use it for pasta. So here it is, the Prepworks Prokeeper set. It all comes together in one box, and I will put the Amazon link in the caption.